In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Word document on KDP in this comprehensive tutorial for beginners. If you've finished writing your masterpiece and are wondering how to get it onto Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will take you through the entire process from formatting to previewing, making sure your document is ready to become a bestseller. First, let's talk about the formatting of your document in Word. Proper formatting is crucial to ensure that your book looks professional when it's published. Start by setting the appropriate page size, which should generally mimic the dimensions of a physical book. Double-check your margins, line spacing, and fonts to ensure they align with industry standards. This not only makes your book more appealing, but also enhances readability. Once you're satisfied with the formatting, it's time to save your document. Ensure you save it with a .doc or .docx extension, as KDP supports these formats. To do this, simply go to the File menu, click Save As, and choose either .doc or .docx format from the list. It's important to avoid other formats that may disrupt your text's layout when it gets uploaded. Next, navigate to the KDP website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. After signing in, locate your bookshelf on the dashboard and start a new project by selecting the option to create a new Kindle ebook. Under the manuscript section, you'll see an option to upload your book file. Click on this and select your saved Word document from your computer. This step is vital, as it directly transfers your work to KDP's system. Be patient, as larger files might take a little longer to upload, depending on your internet speed. Now let's move on to previewing and saving your document. Once your document is successfully uploaded, take the time to preview it using KDP's online preview tool. This tool allows you to see how your book will appear on different Kindle devices and apps. Check for any formatting errors or oddities that might have crept in during the upload process. Should you find any mistakes, go back to your Word document, correct them, and re-upload the file. This ensures that your readers will have the best possible experience. After you're satisfied with the preview, don't forget to save your work. KDP usually saves automatically, but it's a good habit to double-check that everything is saved properly. You can now proceed with adding other essential details about your book, such as the title, author name, and description, before finally hitting publish to make your book available to millions of potential readers. With these steps, you've successfully uploaded your Word document onto KDP, turning your hard work into a published product. Congratulations on reaching this milestone as a self-published author. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you succeed in your publishing journey.